I was pretty healthy up until I hit my 30s, and when I hit my 30s is whenever I was diagnosed with diabetes, and then from that point on, they start treating you right then for cholesterol. They start treating you for high blood pressure. I had started taking tests, and they changed my blood pressure medicines up. I woke up one morning and my heart was just out of control.
He presented initially with palpitations. Palpitations because of medication that he was taking for high blood pressure. He was not tolerating a medicine. And this medicine is a great medicine for blood pressure, but for him, it caused palpitations. So here's a classic example of how medications are studied, tried and true, used for years, but each patient is their own entity. Each patient processes medications in a different way. And for him, this medication was stimulating his heart, not quieting it down.
I would feel pretty confident that if it kept going the way it was going, I would end up having a heart attack. A lot of blood work was done, and once we pinpointed the problem, we put me on the right medication. I've been fine ever since.
And I had to, of course, immediately take that away, give him other medications that proved to be beneficial for his heart rate and his blood pressure. And he has done very well over several years, been very faithful to our practice, and brought many of his family members because of what we were able to do for him.
As far as how I feel now versus how I felt from the beginning, I feel 100% better, and not having to worry about waking up in the morning and your heart just be racing out of control. It's a good feeling not to have to worry about that taking place again.
Bill is doing fabulous. He is able to run his business. He brings his family members to be checked because he knows that there are rules and you follow the rules. And when you follow the rules, you do well.
The outcome of it is pretty good. I mean, like I said, if you control it, and I stay on, and I take the magnesium pills, and it keeps everything under control. I haven't had any issues since. I expect to live for a long time, I hope.